Hey guys, my name is Michelle from MonlyMichelle.com, and if you are a lover of all things style, luxury, and lifestyle, then you are in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, so today we have a fashion file, and if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my monitor, but we have a fashion file unboxing today. Okay, well, not a true unboxing because I have been wearing this bag. I did get this bag, I would say probably about a month to 2 months ago, but I just never shared it with you guys, and I want to today, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. Alright y'all, so I'm going to open it up. If you have ever shopped from Fashion File before, then you know that unless your bag came with the original dust bag, and I believe this one did, I don't remember, but they give you this like Fashion File dust bag that comes with it. And we're just going to pull it out, and you guys already seen from the title, you know what this is, but you know. Here we have the Givenchy Mini Antigona in the faux croc print. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, you guys, so I got this bag, like I mentioned, from Fashion File, and y'all, I am loving this bag. So if you did watch my 2021 luxury wish list, I'll go ahead and link it up here. Then you know that I had this bag on my wish list. I knew I didn't want to get this bag brand new. I knew I wanted it from the pre-loved market, but I just wasn't sure like when I was going to get it, if I really was going to get it. But I am glad to have this bag in my collection. I feel like it is a great bag, and the reason why is because this bag is so classic in shape. And if you know, you know, I feel like with the Antigona, because the Givenchy is not super bold and bright in your face, it's like really nice and understated, and I think this like crocodile print is just everything. Okay, I got this bag, I believe this bag might retail for like $1,900 or $2,000 or something like that, and I definitely got this bag way less. My cost per wear is, listen, I've been wearing this bag. Okay, so as you can see, the bag comes like this, and it came with, let me put this down, it came with a strap as well. So if you do want to wear this bag crossbody, or if you just want to wear it on your shoulder, you can go ahead and hook the bag, the strap onto the bag and wear it that way. I usually carry a top handle because I am a top handle girl, so I do love wearing bags that way. And let me tell y'all, this is everything. So when I got it from Fashion File, this was listed under the very good like status for condition, and typically that means that it's probably going to be in pretty good condition. The only issue that this bag mainly had was that this handle is kind of at an angle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like ever so slightly at an angle, and that didn't bother me personally. I was like, I mean, I don't even think I'm going to be able to notice it. And once I got it, I was like, I am so glad I didn't let that stop me, because you can barely notice it, especially when I'm carrying it top handle like I usually do. Okay, so this bag, you can go ahead and open it. I opted to get the mini size. I was going between small and mini, but to be honest, I just don't carry that much in my bags these days. So I don't need a ton of like super large bags. So, and the small Givenchy Antigona is a really good size. So if you are looking for like a larger bag that you can like wear to work and different things like that, then I think that size may be best. But if you want to wear it out, shopping, going out to eat, hanging out with friends, I think the mini is pretty good as well. So when you open it up, this is how far it opens. It does have a zipper pocket in here, and then it also has two separate pockets that you can go ahead and store other things in as well. And it does fit quite a bit in this bag. Like this bag could fit cell phone, car keys, a small bottle of water if you wanted to carry that, hand sanitizer, mask, lotion, like all of that. Like all of that can fit in this bag. This bag does fit a ton. Although it is a mini, it does fit quite a bit in this bag. So it is just perfect for the fall time, okay? Like I have been wearing this bag with like all black outfits. I've been wearing it with like brown, nudes. You can just wear it with so much. You can do so much with this bag. And I actually sold another black bag in order to get this one. I had the YSL Lulu, or is it the Lou? I think it's the Lulu. I had the YSL Lulu in the smaller size, but because that had like a chain strap, you can't wear it top handle, and I just wasn't really reaching for that bag as much, and I knew I needed a black top handle bag, and the Antigona definitely does the trick. It is so cute. I love this mini size. You can wear it casually, you can wear it professionally, you can wear it dressed up. Very versatile, and it just works with so much, and I feel like that's what I needed in my collection. A nice piece that's a standard color, black of course specifically, and then it has at least a little pop of something so it's not too simple, and that is the faux crocodile print. Okay, you guys, so I'm in love with this bag. Highly recommend if it is on your wish list. If you want to get it full price, you know, of course, be my guest, but so many on the pre-loved market that you can definitely find you a Givenchy Antigona at a pretty good deal in good condition. And to be honest, on this bag, the resale value isn't really as high. So I think if you're deciding to get it, just look into the pre-loved market first and then make your decision if you want to get it brand new or not. But y'all, Fashionphile has so many of these that, listen, you have more than enough to choose from. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was pretty quick, but I just wanted to kind of share with you guys the newest addition into my luxury bag collection, and I am just absolutely in love. I highly recommend, if you are looking into the Antigona, definitely, you know, give it a shot. Definitely look into it because I think it's a great addition, especially because of its classic look. If that's your thing, I think you would definitely enjoy it. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention. People say that they kind of complain about the amount of space that you get to like get in and out of the bag. That doesn't really bother me, but that is something else to keep in mind as well. Okay, I just want to share that with you guys. But all right, you guys, thank you so much again for tuning in. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and like it as well, and comment down below and let me know if you have an Antigona, and if you do, what color, what size, and if you're thinking of getting one. I will see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, y'all.